Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert Figma design, for example website design, to HTML or CSS. So to do this, when you create your Figma design, I'm just going to use this simple template. After that, you want to click this sign resources and components and click on plugins and write down teleport. And here is teleport HQ, which you want to run. And after that, you want to select one or multiple objects to get started. So let's just select this whole portfolio. As you can see, the expected result may differ, but that's okay. So let's export as a new project. And after that, the teleport will open up and you will sign up, or you may sign up earlier. And now it will load up in just a few seconds. This is the tutorial where you can look how to build your website on teleport. But basically, as you can see, this has been uploaded now, and here you basically can edit everything and so on and so forth. So make sure it fits here, maybe change something. Now you can actually look at the preview of your website through this teleport link. As you can see, now it looks like that because I didn't edit anything. But basically, when you look at the preview, you can look if everything is in place like you want it to be. And again, you can change the colors and so on and so forth here. So yeah guys, that's basically it. You can look at the code right there. You can download it here through all of these and publish it through a teleport subdomain, or you can also add a custom domain, but it will need an upgrade from the free plan. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.